Beginning of February 2007, the Israel Antiquities Authority began excavating just outside the Temple Mount compound near Al-Aqsa Mosque and the Western Wall. The authority says this work was in preparation for the erection of a permanent ramp leading to one of the Temple Mount gates. The Muslim community in the Palestinian areas and Israel was enraged. It's the third incident in a month involving archaeological digging close to Al-Aqsa Mosque, and Muslim leaders claim more covert operations are taking place.
There are tunnels dug from more than one direction. One of them goes from the Silwan neighborhood toward the sacred Al-Aqsa Mosque. They destroy the mosque gradually. By this act, they call for a wide religious war in the region.
Israel strongly denies any digging in the Temple Mount compound and beneath Al-Aqsa Mosque. Highly respected rabbis join in denials of excavations, pointing out the site is the holiest in Judaism, with many saying that Jews are forbidden from entering because of its holiness.
Today, till Messiah will come, and we will be pure enough to climb up the mountain. We cannot pray there, not because it's not ours, because it's the dearest and the holiest place.
It has always been about securing the land for Dajjal. It is no coincidence that many of us do not even know what the Aqsa Mosque looks like. This is not the Aqsa Mosque. This is the Dome of the Rock. But nonetheless, every time the Aqsa Mosque is mentioned in the media, the image of the Dome of the Rock is displayed. We are being purposely manipulated so that when the true Aqsa Mosque is destroyed, we won't even know. It's time we knew the difference. As you watch this now, efforts are continuing in the digging and slow but steady destruction of Al-Aqsa, to destroy it in order to build their temple over it, to prepare it for the arrival of their Messiah, the Dajjal.